Welcome to Precision Tech Insights, innovating tomorrow's technology today. In this demonstration, we'll explore the key features of our Django auction site, including creating listings, placing bids, managing watch lists, exploring categories, and navigating the user experience. Examining the core models of our auction site, we have user, listing, bid, and comment models, each carefully designed to support our platform's functionality. Creating a new auction listing. I'll input a title, description, starting bid, and optionally add an image and category. This is how sellers can showcase their items to potential buyers. Here's our main page showing all active auction listings. Each listing displays its title, description, current price, and an image to give users a quick overview of available items. Exploring a specific listing page. Here, users can view detailed information, add the item to their watch list, place bids, and read or add comments. Navigating to the watchlist page. This is where users can track the auction items they're most interested in, making it easy to follow their favorite listings. Only logged-in users can access this. Browsing through auction categories. Users can explore listings by specific categories, making it simple to find items of interest. Accessing the Django Admin interface. Here, administrators can manage all aspects of the site, including listings, comments, and bids. And that concludes our tour of a fully functional, feature-rich auction platform built with Django. Thanks for giving me your time. It's a gift I truly value. See you soon!